Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in Temu application. So first of all, open your Temu application. Now on the bottom, click on this profile icon. Now here on the right top, select this settings. So here you can see the option of language. Select it. So here are the available options of the language. Select any one that you want. Here I'm selecting French. So now it's done. So the language is changed completely. So this is the quick and easy way to change language in Temu. Thank you.